Hi there, my name's Elena, and I am here to walk you through a 3-month journey of helping you sleep, enhancing your whole experience of the nighttime, and creating the conditions for a really well-rested body. doTERRA has created this 3-month flight of sleep kits. Each one of these kits is $75. Each one comes with products and journals and sweetness to carry you through a really good night's sleep for 90 days. And I'll walk you through kit number 1. This first kit comes with this beautiful little neoprene bag. And inside of that kit you have, as you do for each month, a gratitude journal. On the back of that journal you have a description of all of the oils that are in that kit for that month, which is super nice. In month 1, you've got bath salts, one of the very few uses of plastic, and Serenity Complex. Whenever I take these, I have the best dreams. You've got L-theanine in there, and passion flower, and lavender, and chamomile. Just an incredible product, synergized for sleep. You have the Kids Blend Calmer, which is diluted, so you can use it. And at night, I love to use Calmer first. On top of that, I will layer a couple drops of Serenity on the soles of my feet and some cedarwood as well. I also love Serenity and cedarwood in my diffuser at night. Okay, and that takes you through the first month. You can start using those soft gels whenever you're having trouble sleeping, the bath salts, the oils on your feet. Awesome. Second month is incredible because you have products in there that I've never actually seen before, special for this kit. Month 2, there's your gratitude journal. We'll start with the Copaiba in a 5 ml bottle. Anytime I am feeling any sort of anxious sensations at all, straight to Copaiba, 2 drops under my tongue. Super safe to use internally, and I don't advocate for internal use often, and if so, I do so very conservatively. Copaiba is safe for internal use. It also comes with petitgrain, okay? This is made from the twigs and branches of the orange tree. Really nice if you want to put it in a little spray bottle with some of your Serenity cedarwood and spray it on your sheets before you go to bed. Super refreshing. I also happen to love petitgrain in the dishwasher. Before I run it, I'll put the soap in and then I'll throw a few drops of petitgrain or really any citrus into the dishwasher so that when you open it up when it's done, it smells incredible. Also great, even if you don't have a dishwasher, to throw some into your sink. Just do a little splash after you're done with your dishes or even before. This kit also comes with a Serenity roller, which is super nice for layering on your feet at night, of course. It also comes with Serenity body butter. So delicious, beyond, and a very special treat. This miniature Magnolia Touch. I've never seen one like this and I love it. I am just opening this for the first time. Magnolia is very much a connection to your femininity, to your most ancient wisdom, to your ancestors. And when you bring it into your body, instant calm. I love Magnolia so much for this, and I use it all the time. And now I'm really happy to have a little bottle from my poche for my pocket. Month 3 comes. There's your gratitude journal once again. We'll start with a 15 ml bottle of lavender. Lots of folks I know use lavender internally at night. We've all had lavender tea to drink. Put a drop under your tongue, no problem. I love diffusing lavender and the second product in this kit, which is bergamot mint. Very delicious. It's not too stimulating for nighttime. In fact, it's very calming for me. The bergamot has a really kind of an adaptogenic effect on me, and the mint just clarifies my mind for bed, which I really appreciate. A very special 5 ml bottle of Adaptiv. Wow. Which has so many delicious aspects to it to help calm your nervous system and welcome your body into a restful place. You have Serenity bath oil, really nice, and also a treat, not something that is sold separately in any doTERRA product, as well as the Serenity Linen Mist, which is awesome. And when you get down to about halfway, you can put other oils in here as well if you like. You can spray down your sheets, you can spray the air in your bedroom, whatever feels good to you. We also have a Peace Touch, a very, very popular oil. This one, some of my guy friends use this as deodorant. It's woodsy, it's floral, it covers a lot of bases, Peace Touch, and really nice to apply to your pulse points before you sleep for just that very comforting aroma. And finally, the Coup de Grace Balance Touch, also not available separately. You cannot buy this product from doTERRA unless you get to the 3rd month of your sleep journey. Balance Touch is something that I use all the time. I have it from a couple of years ago when we had it as a special. I carry it in my purse. I have one in my bathroom as well, and I use it all the time on the soles of my feet. I use it on my adrenals. I use it on my belly sometimes, on pulse points, and even as deodorant also. Just super grounding. The main ingredient in Balance Touch is black spruce, and it is so delicious, and it's both, just like Peace, great for women and men. So that's the 3-month journey through the sleep kit from doTERRA. I'm so happy that I opened it with you. And I encourage you to please ask me any questions you have about this journey. info@elenabrower.com. I'm right there. And know that if you do engage on this little journey, you will be held for 90 days with practices and rituals for sleep that will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for being here.